Exam Warriors Tip 2. Exams test your current preparation, but not you. Dear students, exams test your current preparation, but not you. We think exams are a matter of life and death, and that failure is final. But exams are not about life and death. Do not get pressurized by the fear of failure. Dr. Abdu Kalam wanted to become a fighter pilot but missed the opportunity. Yet he did not remain dejected. Instead, he became a great scientist of the Indian space program. So, one particular test or exam cannot define a person. Life is about opportunities to reflect, learn, and script new stories of success. Exams are the one of many important events in life. Can one exam be the sole factor in determining one's excellence and true potential? Prepare, appear, and do not fear failure. Exams test your current preparation, but not you. Good luck with all your future education endeavors. Subscribe to our channel, and get all updates. Happy learning!